Hi guys, this is Kushal Kumar again, and this is part 2 of my C programming language tutorial. It's about compiling and running C program in two ways. So there are two ways of compiling a C program. First of all, what is compiling? As I talked about it in my previous tutorial, compiling means converting a higher level language to a lower level language so that computer can easily understand lower level language. So basically there are two types of operating systems, Unix and Windows. And there are two ways of compiling a C program, via command prompt or via IDE. So in Unix operating system we use VI editor, and in Windows operating system we use Notepad. First of all, I will show you how to compile a C program with the help of a Notepad. Just search here for Notepad. There are various other editors also available in the market like Notepad++ and Editra, many others. So click on Notepad, and now we will write our very first C program. Hello world. Don't worry about what it means and what it does. What it basically does is print out hello world on the screen. So go to file, click on save as, save it on the desktop, and save it as anything like first .c. This is important. This is how the compiler will understand that it is a C file. Now save it. Now that I have saved it, go to your browser and type this in the URL like I have. Then you will get something like this. Click on this download button. This is C compiler. And this is how your download will get started. So once it has been downloaded, just click on it. I have downloaded this GCC compiler before, but it's very simple. You just have to click next. And once you have downloaded this, what you have to do is go in the C directory, and under it you will find TDM GCC 64. Go here, go to the bin folder and click here and copy. Now what you have to do is search for my PC, right click and go to properties. In the properties you will find advanced system settings. Click on it. Here you will find environment variables. Click on it, click on new, give variable name anything, and then give the value as this. Click on OK, and then click on OK here, and then apply. After this you will go here and write CMD. So once you're here, what you have to do is go to the directory where you saved the C file. So type CD for change directory and then desktop, enter. Now you are on the desktop. Now what you have to do is type GCC, your file name -first.c, and hit enter. Ignore this, it's just a warning. I will cover that later. This means your file has been compiled. Go to desktop, and here you will see your first.c file, which has now been converted into a.exe. So now in order to run this file, what you have to do is write a. That's all. And now it displays what was written in here, hello world. This is how you run your file, a C file. Coming back, now this was the first way, command prompt, using command prompt to compile a C program. The other way is using IDE. For that, go to the browser again and type code blocks. Click here on the downloads. Click here. Here you can find it. Code blocks for different operating systems. Mine is Windows 10. So this is for Windows 10 and you have to get this one. Click here and your download will start shortly. Okay, so the download has started. You can see it is being downloaded here. Meanwhile, let's see what we have covered. So there are two major types of operating systems, Unix and Windows. We aren't talking about Unix right now, and we have used editor for Windows, which is Notepad, and we have used CMD called command prompt, which is this black screen here. So one way of compiling C program is completed. As you can see, it has been downloaded. Now click here, click yes. You will see the installation being started. Click on next, click on I agree, click on next, and click on install. I have done it before, so I'm not doing it again. So now that you have code blocks with you, open it. You can see code blocks looks like this after opening it. So the code blocks has been started here. Go to files here, click on new and click on file. Click on C++ source here, click on go. Next, we want it for C, so next, give the file name with full path. Click here, go to desktop and give your file a name. Let's call it hello.c. Save. Finish. So now you have a file named hello.c saved on your desktop. Write the same code again. You can also copy it if you want. So this is the C program. Now in order to run this, you first have to build it by clicking on this icon here. As you can see, build finished written here. So now you can go on and click on this icon called run. And as you can see, the output has come as hello world. So now you know how to run a C program in two ways. The first was using command prompt and Notepad editor or any other editor, and the second one was using IDE. IDE is an integrated development environment. It is more user friendly. You can open many files at once like this, and it provides you more flexibility and productivity. So one thing to note here is that lowercase and uppercase values have different meanings. Like if you write printf with uppercase F here and then build it, you will get an error here. As you can see, there are two errors. So there is a difference between uppercase and lowercase letters in C programming language. One more thing is how you write your code. I could have written it this way or this way or this way, or maybe this way. It would still work. As you can see, build finished, and now if you run it, it gives you the same exact output, but it doesn't look good. So it's a good practice to always indent your code so it's more human readable and any changes can be done later. So this is all I wanted to show you in this tutorial, how to run your first program, and don't care about what all of this is, as you will understand all of this in the next tutorial. For now, just try running your program and see if you can do it. So that's all about the part 2 of my C programming tutorial. I hope you liked it, and subscribe because I post videos every day about C programming language. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.